Hello everyone, in the Happy Chef kitchen we are now going to be celebrating Chinese New Year. So I'm going to be showing you an insight of what me and my family eat during Chinese New Year. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Here we have a sticky gluten rice with seafood and mushroom. This is a symbolic dish as it uses ingredients from both land and sea, representing a bountiful future wherever one may go. This is a mouli rice cake. We eat this because Taiwanese pronunciation mouli is similar to meaning good luck. I've done a previous video on making this, so check it out. See how it is made. I'll leave a card annotation in this video. This is a whole chicken that has been boiled. We eat this because in Taiwanese pronunciation, chicken is similar to family, and Chinese New Year, it's the time for family. This is a pan-fried whole fish. It doesn't matter what kind of fish you use, but it's important that it has both head and tail. You're not actually supposed to eat this fish today or whenever you eat your meal, because you're always supposed to have some left over, so your fortune carries over to the new year. This is a stew dish that directly translates into English meaning Buddha jumping over the wall. It represents prosperity because so many ingredients are added into the pot, but it still tastes great. This is a stewed beef shin. This here is to complete the table, to have fish, chicken, pork and beef. Here we're having it like a starter. These are scallops in a chicken broth, with scallops representing coins to bring wealth in the new year. This is a side veg topped with fried egg to complete the variety of the chicken, the table, for all those picky eaters out there. And finally, for dessert, we have a sticky rice cake. This is another Chinese pun and represents stacking on good fortune every year you eat it. This is just a small insight of what we eat during Chinese New Year, but many others families have their own way of celebrating it, such as coins stuffed in dumplings. So bear in mind there are so much more to find out if you want to. Those who celebrate this festival, leave a comment below and tell me how you celebrate Chinese New Year. And there you have it, Chinese New Year dishes. Remember, if you like this content, smash the like button, share it with friends and family, subscribe for more videos from me. So stay tuned, enjoy cooking, and 新年快乐 everyone, and 恭喜发财.